in testa alla corsa e vi rimarrà fino in fondo.
La Giulia 1600 GPA ha già strabiliato tutti al suo debutto italiano nel...
These were the dawns of a legend, the start of an extraordinary journey. 150 years later, Alfa Romeo still stands a symbol of the daring spirit of Italian automotive excellence. Signature lines, cutting-edge engineering, and pure passion for driving.
Alfa Romeo is not tributing the past. We are doing a drive into the future. We have always evolved, defied convention and embraced the impossible. And this year, again, returning to the Mille Miglia with the wind at the wheel, thanks to Max Irena and the Luna Rossa team at the helm of the Alfa Romeo 1009 Super Sprint.
Which is the difference between steering Luna Rossa and racing the Mille Miglia at the wheel of an Alfa Romeo? Just the tarmac, the thrill, the instinct, the adrenaline. All of it is pure Italian passion. It's like turning the road into a stage. Each curve is a statement, each sound is a pulse. Performance is nothing without soul. That belonging to a story, to a vision, makes all the difference.
There is something beautifully human in all this, a balance between instinct and innovation, between heritage and the edge of tomorrow, the roar of passion, the way every detail expresses style, performance, and pure Italian sportiness.
Daring by nature, never following the easiest course, only the most ambitious. The pursuit of excellence is a mindset. It's waking up every day with a determination to be better than yesterday, to refine every detail, to face every technological challenge head-on, and to push beyond what others believe is possible.
Not just technical precision, but emotion, memory, culture, all wrapped in motion. The same pursuit of excellence, the same Italian spirit, born to move forward. They remind us why we dare, why we create, why we keep pushing, even when everything says stop. It's like looking into a mirror and seeing your own values reflected back. It feels natural, it is inevitable.
Challenge, a force to master, a limit to surpass. Whether it's wind or road, it's never just about moving. It's about the pulse behind every turn. Those who dare don't follow trends. They shape direction, driven by passion, rooted in belonging, shaped by the pursuit of excellence, powered by innovation. Where sport meets soul, where precision meets emotion, where Italian spirit moves with purpose. Two worlds, one vision, daring, competitive, relentless, shaped by the wind, defined by the road. Our journey begins.
This partnership couldn't come at a better time or in a better place. Ours is a symbiotic alliance that goes far beyond pairing two brands or placing logos on a sail or a badge on a car. We share values and heritage that can take us anywhere. Because when racing expertise meets engineering vision, something magic happens. It's not just about colors or styling cues, but it's real technological collaboration. And it's already underway.
Technology sharing is really one of the key points of this partnership. And between Luna Rossa and Alfa Romeo, they are more in common than you think. Driving dynamics, for example, is as crucial on the road as at the sea. Then there are material, lightweight, high performance, designed for speed and agility. And of course, precision, not just in steering, but in how each turn is handled. We already started working together, and let's say there is a lot of exciting stuff on the horizon.
There is no better partner than Luna Rossa, a brand that, like us, carries a strong identity and rich history, and a clear vision of what's next. A passion for sport, a drive for excellence, a deep sense of belonging. And above all, it speaks Italian, just like Alfa Romeo.
There is a natural affinity between Luna Rossa and Alfa Romeo, deep roots, Italian heritage, a spirit of sportiness, and a constant pursuit of excellence. We even share a signature color, red. Our partnership is rooted in value and growing in value.
Two Italian names side by side for the next America's Cup. And for the first time, that challenge will take place here, in Italy, on our sea, with our spirit and our style. There is no better time to celebrate Italian excellence and bring it to the world together.
Thank you, obsession for details. Thank you, pushing to innovate. Thank you, passion for performance. Thank you, craving for making it. Thank you, Italian roots. It's thanks to you that our hearts beat, and now that they beat as one. Alfa Romeo and Luna Rossa. Passion flows strong.